In this video, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads conversion optimization, specifically about the difference between standard conversion optimization and custom conversion optimization. So if we go into the ads manager and go to events manager here, you can see it says Pixel. So if you just go into Pixel here, it's going to take us right here. We've already set up the Facebook Pixel for this account, and if we go in there, if you haven't set it up, you'll just click the setup button, and then you can use the tag manager or manual. In this case, I'll just show how to do it manually. So here we have the base code. You'll install that on your site, and then we have the event code. So this is what's called a standard conversion tracking pixel. So these are your standard options that are available, but they're limiting in a sense, and I'll explain that, what the limit is and what the difference is between this and custom conversions. Okay, so let's get out of here, and now let's go to custom conversions. So you can see here we have a contact us page view custom conversion. So this is essentially tracking people who've landed on the landing page and then clicked on the link to go to the contact us page, and we want to track those as conversions. So in a scenario where you want to track multiple page views, so let's say we want to track everybody that's landed on the landing page and then they clicked the contact us page. Okay, we want to track that as a conversion, and also we want to track anybody that's clicked on the get quote page as a conversion, and of course as well anybody who's actually submitted the quote. So in case we want to track these two conversions, so contact us page view and quote page view, what we want to do is we want to set up custom conversion, and the reason for that is, I'll explain right now here. So we'll just click here to create it. Is we enter the URL of the page. So in this case it would be www.website.ca/contact. Okay, then we would name the conversion, would say contact us page view, and we would select a category, and you can see these are your standard conversion tracking categories, and we would select view content, for example. You know, we can say lead as well, but what this does is, so if you put view content here and we create this custom conversion, what we can do is now we can go create another custom conversion for this page, website.com/get quote. So this is the get quote page, and we want to track everybody that's clicked on the get quote page. So we would leave these, we change this would be a get quote page view, and we'd still leave this as view content. So now, since we've set up custom conversions, we can actually get numbers for both of these pages. Facebook will tell us how many conversions happen on the get quote page and how many conversions happened on the contact page. While if we set this up using the standard conversions that were available when I showed it in the beginning of this video, it'll group all those together. So you're not going to know how many people did a contact us page, how many people viewed the get quote page. But with this method, you're actually going to get numbers for these different pages. And that's the great part. You also don't need to install the event code. You just need that base pixel code installed on your website on all these different pages, and you don't need to install the event code on the get quote page and the contact us page. While if we were doing the standard conversions, then we would actually need to install the event code on these pages. Okay, so that's the major difference. And now I also want to point out, if we look at these numbers here, even if you go to data sources, if we look at these conversions right here, these are showing us conversions coming from all different sources, including Facebook, Google, Yelp, etc. And if we want to see conversions specific to Facebook, then what we need to do is we need to go to our ads manager, and then we're going to go to our campaign, and you can see your conversions right here specifically from Facebook. Okay, so website registration is completed, and then if you want to add your custom conversions that we created, I go to conversions, and then you're gonna have to scroll down to website custom conversions, and there you have it right there. So you'll just add that, and that'll show you the custom conversions to the contact us page, and if you created the quote page, it'll show up here as well, and you can view all that really nicely in here. It'll show you exactly how many quote submissions you have, how many views in the contact us page, and how many views on the get quote page. So that sums it up, and that's conversion tracking in Facebook ads. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll reply to them as soon as we can. Thank you.